you stay calm. You just calm down. Trust Mummy, you're safe. Okay? He's all the way over there, Buuji, look. He's far, far away. He won't come here, darling. Okay? Good job. Good job, Trust Mummy. Good girl. You're safe, Buuji. Buuji safe. Good job. Good job, Trust Mummy. Good girl. Look at Simba. He's very relaxed, aren't you, Simba? You know the lawnmower's not coming, don't you, darling? Hey? Even if he did, you're safe up there, aren't you? But he's not coming. He's miles away. All the way over there. Somewhere. I can't even see. There, ages away. You tell Simba. Simba, you tell Buuji. Tell Buuji you're safe. Say, Buuji safe, trust Simba. Buuji safe, trust Simba. Do you trust Simba, Buuji? Buuji, do you trust Simba? And Mummy? I thought you were calming down. Hey, no, you're not going inside. No, not yet. Calm down. Baby, calm down. Calm down. No, you don't need to go inside. You're safe. Okay? You're safe, darling. Trust Mummy. You don't need to go in. No one's coming. Buuji's safe. Buuji's safe. Trust Mummy. Buuji's safe. Okay? You tell her, Simba. Say, Buuji's safe. Trust Simba. Buuji's safe. Buuji, no. You stay outside. Stay outside. You're safe. Look, what's over here, Buuji? Buuji, Buuji, Buuji. What's in here? Look, a lizard. Buuji, look. Look over here, a lizard. Lizard. Lizard, come get the lizard. Come on. Come get the lizard. Buuji, come get the lizard. Good girl. Good girl. Go look for a lizard. Come on. Simba's going to fall asleep in a minute. He's so relaxed, don't you, darling? That's it. Go look for a lizard, Buuji. Go find a lizard. Buuji safe. Good job, safe. Good job, Trust Mummy. Good job, Buuji. Oh, look at them big claws. Look at them big claws. Ooh, big tiger claws. My big lion. Simba, my Lion King? Yeah. A beautiful boy. You enjoying the outdoors, Simba? Is it nice out here? Yeah. Buuji's forgotten about the lawnmower now, that's good. She's going to catch a lizard, are you, Buuji? Are you going to catch a lizard, darling? Good girl, that's the way. You're safe. Good job, Buuji. Want Mummy to move you back down there now? Okay.